Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to put affiliate link on your Squarespace website. So simply in order to do this, first of all log into your Squarespace account and after that click on commerce. Now here click on products. Now click on physical product and after that just type the product name here and just here in the description go to website, just copy it and now paste it here and now click on additional info and here you have to paste the affiliate link. Simply just click on this button and now click on copy link. Now go to website and just simply type here buy from Amazon and after that just paste the link here. Now click on apply and now here you can also add the image. Simply click on upload file, just open this image and now after that you can also edit all these options. Simply click on save button. So in this way you can easily add affiliate links to your Squarespace website.